Series 13. 1. Are we still the hope of the oppressed? There was more than a little publicity given to the fact that a Chinese tennis player defected to the United States and was given political asylum. From the early days of the United States, we have been known the world over as a land of the free and a sanctuary for political refugees fleeing from tyranny. The sad fact is that this is less and less true. We did accept the Chinese tennis player, but there are some 1,000 other Chinese seeking asylum, and we are in no hurry to grant it. Some time ago, we returned to Soviet authorities a Russian seaman who jumped ship. Prominent defectors do get asylum usually, but all too many lesser ones are not accepted. But this is not all. In the past, political refugees from all over the world were, as a rule, a major force in overthrowing tyrannies at home. Now we restrict their freedom activities. For example, the Cuban refugees in Florida would like to have the freedom to broadcast into Cuba, but we deny them that right. Thousands of Cubans have been sent by Castro into Africa without any desire on their part to go. Many thousands have been killed in Africa, and their families have not been told. The Cuban refugees would like to broadcast into Cuba the truth about the deaths in Africa. They have the names of their war dead, as well as data on what is happening in Cuba, of which most Cubans are ignorant, and so on. We are, however, denying them this freedom. Many believe that such honest broadcasting into Cuba could lead to the overthrow of Castro. Why do we oppose it? We used to pride ourselves on being the land of the free and the home of the brave. Freedom fighters from all over the world found sanctuary in the United States and worked from here to gain their objectives at home. While maintaining a proper diplomatic relationship with all nations, we kept an open door to their oppressed peoples and gave them freedom to work for freedom at home. This fact contributed much to our worldwide popularity for generations. Now, step by step, we are abandoning that policy. We seem to be more concerned about peace with tyrants than with freedom for their oppressed peoples or for their refugees. Perhaps the reason for this is that, at the same time, we are allowing our own people less and less freedom. After all, we cannot champion freedom abroad if we do not expand it here at home.